Welcome to NEXGN Institute Pro, India's #1 school management software. If you're still juggling with paperwork, manual reports or backdated software, this is the right time to switch something smarter, faster and fully automated school management solutions. This is Sabyasachi. Today I am going to present you a revolutionary software where you will get A to Z solutions for your school operations. As I have told you that India's #1 school management softwares, let's come on the screen to see how within a chutki you can resolve all your problems. Before getting to our school management software, I just wanted to tell this is a dynamic website, so every schools can change any informations. Like once the school will get registered, immediately the school name will come over here and school logo, home, about us, admissions, course, gallery, contractors, any informations can be changed and school can change all the informations according to your requirements and needs, right? If I go below down, I can see the students are scrolling over here. So all the students list will come from the school management software automatically. How automatically all the students will come direct to our official websites, later on definitely I'll show you. So without wasting our time, I just wanted to show you the school management software. So I click on login. Immediately I get this login interface. Before login, I just wanted to tell here each and every teacher will get their individual login facilities, right? Each and every students, right from the nursery to the top class students, everybody will get their own user ID and password and their own dashboard. Now I put this admin user ID and password over here, so I will be access admin dashboard now. So I'm clicking on submit. Immediately my admin dashboard open, right? Here I can see all the teacher list in our school. I can see all the student list in our school. How many homework has been given? Presently 0. How many notice has been released by the school? I can see from here. If I click on teacher, immediately I will get to know the total teacher list, the teacher name, subjects. If I wanted to edit and delete, it's also possible. If I wanted to add any teacher, I'll click on add teacher. If I add individual teacher, I'll click on add. If I wanted to upload bulk teacher, if say for example 50 teacher individually entry is a very difficult. If I put all the teacher in our CSV file, the sample CSV file is given over here, and I will choose the file, and immediately the file will get upload, and all 100 teacher within a 2 to 3 second maximum, all teachers will onboarded to our software, right? If I wanted to remove, I can remove. Teachers leave, if any teacher applied leave, the pending leave, it will be showing over here. I can approve and reject. Once I approved, teacher list will showing on approved leave. If I reject the leave, I can see how many teachers leave has been rejected, right? Now here I can see the teacher attendance, teacher name, date, in time, in location, out time and out location, right? Such a way, I'll go back to dashboard. Such a way, if I click on student, then I will see the total number of students, class-wise students. If I wanted to see class-wise students, I can select class 5, section, then find. Once I click on find, then all the students list came here, over here. Once the students get uploaded, immediately, even it is 500 students strengths are there in your school or 2000 students are there in your school, immediately within a second, every students will generated their student ID card and Escort card. So if I click on ID card gets open, and this is a Escort card. If I click on Escort card, I can see the Escort card also generated. For the parents can take out their child from the school, right? The same way, if I click on add student, individual students can be uploaded over here. Bulk students at a time, 2000, 5000 students will get uploaded in your software within a 2 to 3 seconds only, right? If I wanted to click on feedback, I can see the feedbacks, parents teacher meeting, leave applications, if any students apply any leave, transfer certificate, if any students wanted to generate any transfer certificate, say for example class 5, if I click, I can see all the student list. There are 2 students already been generated transfer certificate. Say for example, if I wanted to generate one more students, what is the reason? Say for example, pass out. Reason pass out, that is the reasons they wanted to generate. This is the printer portions. If you want to take this certificate print, now TC has been generated and reasons the students got passed out, right? So I will be go back once again on dashboard. Let me click on dashboard. So again I will be coming to dashboard, and here fees details, cash received as on date till today in this month, how much amount has been received by cash, I can see from here. How much amount received by online, I can see from here. The total amount how much I received in this month, I can see from here, right? So once I click over there, I can see the total amounts till the academic year start till today, the date wise. Say for example, if I click on all data, then I can see this is the student ID, student name, class, section, payment date, fees type, tuition fee or admission fee, what is the amount, and pay by cash or pay by online. So all the students has been paid by cash, it has came cash. If your students are paying by online, online and transactions ID will come, right? So date wise, I can see the payment transactions as well. Once again, I will come back to dashboard. So due to admission fee, what is the amount is pending? If I wanted to know, I need to click over here. Due to tuition fee, if I wanted to know what is the amount is due for the tuition fee, I can get to know to click over here, right? So if I wanted to give any fees received to students, I need to click over here. Say for example, birthday, if I wanted to know today how many students birthday are there, if you wanted to celebrate, I need to check how many students birthday are there. Say for example, I want to know how many students admission fees are due. Let me click over here. So due admission fee, let's come class 5 section ABCD, click on A, find. So all A section student appear over here, right? Now here send due fees reminder. If I wanted to send a reminder to all students, I can click over here. I can see the admission fee, every students are appear, the full payments are due. Now if I wanted to take the admission fee, what I will do, I will take a copy of students ID, I will click on receive fees, I will put the student ID, search students, immediately the students account gets open, right? So total admissions fees, now it is admission fee showing 0. What I will do, I will go to add fees, click on add fees, class 5, as per our requirement we can put, right? Class 5 tuition fee is 1,000 rupees. I clicked. Now add fees, here we will click class 5 tuition fee 1,000, admission fee. See, this is the suggestions which you are getting, na? This fees type also we can set as per our requirement. Say for example 10,000 is admission fee, then book fee 1,000, then dress fee also keep 1,000, and you keep exam fee. Will not put so much thing, 500. Submit. So all 4 heads. See here, if I click fees type, add fees type, show fees type, these are all fees type has been added. If you don't want, delete it and add as per your requirement. Now again I will come to fees collection. I'll search the students once again, class 5. See, all the heads appear over here, right? Now if I go due admission fee, class 5 A section, I can see this one, Charles, full amount due. What I will do, I will go fees receipt, Charles, right? I am taking a fees, total fees is 12,500. Say for example the student is saying ki I have 11,000 only. So what I will do, exam fee and dress fee, these 2 fees student don't want to pay now, they will pay later on, right? So 11,000 they are paying now. What I will do, I will click on pay cash. Once I click on pay cash, immediately the amount received and 1,500 is a due amount, right? Once I go bit down, I'll see this is the today's date. The fees type is admissions. Due to admission purpose, the students paid 11,000 by cash. If I click over here, immediately I'll get to know the cash received. The cash receipt gets generated immediately, and this cash receipt, the money receipt also sent to the student dashboard, right? Now what I will do, I will take a click on admission fee, sorry, due admission fee. I will go once again class 5, find, see the Charles, earlier it was full due, now 1,500 due. Now what I will do, I will go once again, then I am taking the rest the amount. Student is saying ki sir please give me some discount. So what I will do, I am giving 500 rupees discount, right? So the due amount is 1,500, but student are taking 500 rupees discount and they are paying now 1,000 rupees. Then all clear, right? I have given 500 rupees discount. See, the now remaining amount is 0. 500 rupees discount has been given. I will go bit down. See, this is the date. For admission purpose, students paid 1,000 rupees by cash. If I click over here, I can say this is the total amount, exam fee and dress fee 500 and 1,000, discount apply 500, students pay 1,000 rupees. It's mean if I apply discount heads will show. If I don't apply discount, then discount head itself will not show on the money receipt, right now? So students will not see the discount is 0. They might ask, sir please give some discount. Discount heads also will not show on the money receipt, right? Like that, if I wanted to take a tuition fee, January, February and March, these 3 months tuition fees monthly 1,000, for 3 months 3,000, paying by cash. If I click on pay now, immediately I can see January, February, March payment done. Once I go bit down, I can see the tuition fee details. Today's date, for the tuition fee purpose, student paid 3,000 rupees. if I click on money received, I can see January, February, March, and this is the amount they have paid. So immediately money received got generated, right? Now I will go once again this tuition fee, class 5 A section, all students came. See the Charles, January, February, March, these 3 months amount has paid and rest of the amount are due. Now there are many students, they have not paid the tuition fee. I wanted to send a reminder. What I will do, I will be click on send WhatsApp reminder. So what will happen? Every student's parents will get the fees reminder, right? I can see the view total fees, I can see the dues tuition fee, I have seen the due admission fees. Now I will come to the marks. This is a very big pain area for the schools management, right? So what I will do, I will be creating one examinations. How the mark sheet will get generated? Let me show. Say for example, first term exam for class 5, all section, total marks is 100, theory exam is 80, and 30 is a passing marks, and 20 is a viva or practical, and 7 is the passing marks for the all subject. Let me click on continue. Once I click on continue, immediately the first terminal exam has been created. Total theory marks is 80, practical or viva marks is 20. For the class 5, English, Maths and Science, I have added only these 3 subjects. You can add as per your requirement. Now theory marks, practical marks I can put, but if I am an admin, I don't want to put all the marks. What I will do, simply I will click on save. So once I will click on save, then what will happen? Every teacher, the respective teacher, the maths teacher can put their own marks, the English teacher, they can put their own marks, the rest of the teachers can put their own respective marks. Now this is the admit card. Automatically admit card will get generated. How? Class 5, I have created the exam, the first terminal exam, it has showing over here. I am now clicking. Subject I have added only 3. English exam when, say for example 13th, 10:30 AM to 1:30. I click on submit. 16, 10:30 AM to 1:30, submit. And for the science, exam date will be 24, 10:30 AM to 1:30 PM, submit. So once I submit, immediately I can check. If I click on back, view admit card for class 5, let me click on class 5. If once I click on find, I can see the exam name, all the students appear over here. Once I click over here, I can see the admit card gets generated, and this admit card has reached to each and every student dashboard. Now you can apply a policy that without admit card, students are not allowed to examination hall. So you need not to follow up for your fees collections. Once the students are cleared their fees, then only they will get their admit card. If their fees are due, they will not get the admits card. So first of all, they have to clear all their due fees, right from admissions or from tuitions. They have to clear all the due fees, then only they can get their admit card, right? So students will get to know the subject name, on which date, what time to what time exams will there, the exam rules and regulations, and if the students are not paid the amount, if they request to management, the parents came to the management and requested, please allow my child for the examinations, I will make a payment for the another 2 to 3 days. Teachers approved and allow students to examinations hall. But after that, every students will get the mark sheet. These students will not get the mark sheet because the payment has not been clear. So unless the due fee is cleared, the students will be stuck everywhere, right? Now I will go bit forward. Upload marks. Let me select on class 5, exam done. First terminal exam. I am a teacher of English. My English all students came. Without wasting time, let me put only one student's marks. Now the total marks was 80. If I put 81, the system will not allow, right? So let me put 75. And here it was 20. Let me put 15. Click on save. Maths teacher, they can go their own login. They can put the marks. Save. In science, so I have done with marks for one student. I would have put all the students' marks. It will take time. I am just avoiding. So once I click over here, this examinations mark sheets will get generated. Once I click on mark sheet, let me select class 5. Once I click on find, so once I click on mark sheet, all the students came here. I click on view, the mark sheet has been generated. First terminal examination, theory, practical, out of 80, what is the marks students get, and total obtained mark and grading, right? So if I wanted to download, I can download. If I wanted to close. The grading scales also given over here. So what is the percentage students obtained, what is the grade, and performance excellent, right? Now I click on performance tracking. If I click on class 5 finds, I can see students rank. Let me click on students rank. I can see I have put only one student's marks, so rest of the students marks are not showing. Only one student gets rank, right? So such a way you can subject you can create as per your requirement. Attendance also, let me show attendance. Class 5 students attendance, how will you take? Click here, all the students list came here. You are clicking present, only these students gets absent. Let me submit. Once I submit, I can see date wise attendance. Once I click over here, again I will go to class 5. If I click on finds, and I can see all the students are present except this student, and these informations immediately has been forwarded to student dashboard, so parents can able to see whether their child has been reached their school or not. Like notice board, all the notice board can be created from here. The notice board can be seen from here. Timetable, the class schedule timetable also we can create as per our requirement. How? Here the period start and period end. Once we will create that for Monday, the other day automatically will get created. Subject and teachers, that is required to edit. So these two will be always vacant, you need to put. Syllabus, homework also you can with the teacher subject class wise, they can by class 5 they can share the homework. Immediately the homework will reach to all student dashboard. Marks I have seen. The bus facilities also is there, so you can create the route. Once you click over here, you can create a route, bus number, driver name, driver contact number, helper name, contact number, so that parents will get to know my child is in which bus and bus is where and by what time bus will reach. So all the informations they can sit at their home and they can get to know where is their child now, right? I'll click on support. Once I click on support, I can see technical support is there and dedicated relationship manager will be assigned to all the school so that school can clarify all their doubts, right? And model wise, each and every features wise video also will be provided to the school. Now I'll click on backup. Once I click on backup, I can download all the students backup. Are you sure to take full students backup? Yes, download. Immediately it will get download. Let's not download now. If I click on show backup, I can see on which date you have taken a backup, for which education year, and the backup file. Session control. Here, if you wanted to promote your students from class 5 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, immediately you need to click over there. Within the 3 seconds, all your students will get promoted, right? So yes, I understand to continue. Now the final confirmations, once you will click, immediately your all existing year students list will get deleted and the new academic session students will get appear. Fine. In settings, school can change their contact number, address, if any things required to change, and holiday also is there. If they wanted to put the holiday, immediately the holiday list will be circulated to all teachers and students. I hope you like all the features. If any doubts are there, if more clarifications are there, please get back to us. I hope you like each and every features in these softwares. For these softwares, you're not required to spend amount. Rather, you will earn amount for these softwares. Thousands of schools, they like our softwares and they switch to NEXGN Institute Pro because it is not just a softwares. It is complete school automation solutions. So you will save time, no headaches, and you can also earn amount. Tab tak ke liye bye. We will meet you soon at your school. Thanks for watching.